Last week, a client paid me $500 for an AI agent I built in 2 days. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I priced it and why they said yes immediately. Most developers price AI work by the hour, $30 an hour, $50 an hour. That's the wrong model entirely. Here is the problem. If you price by the hour, you get punished for being fast. A 2-day build charges less than a 2-week build. Same result, less money. And with AI tools, builds are getting faster every month. So your income goes down the better you get. That's broken. The shift that changed everything for me. Stop selling time. Start selling saved time. My client was spending 5 hours a week on a manual task at $10 an hour. That's $200 a month, every single month, just on one repetitive job. I built an agent to replace it entirely. I charged $500 once, he broke even in 10 weeks. Agent still runs automatically. Zero manual work. That's the frame. Now let me show you the formula. 3 steps. I use this on every single project. Step 1. Measure the pain in hours. First question I ask every client. How many hours a week does this task take? Get a specific number, not quite a bit, not a lot. A number, 3 hours, 5 hours, 20 hours. If they don't know, ask them to track it for 1 week. That conversation alone positions you as a professional. Step 2. Calculate their monthly cost. Take that number, multiply by their hourly rate, multiply by 4. Example, 5 hours a week, $10 an hour, 4 weeks. That's $200 a month, every month, on one manual task. That number is your pricing anchor. Write it down before you quote anything. Step 3. Price at 2 to 3 times the first month's saving. If they are spending $200 a month, I charge $400 to $600 to automate it. If they are spending $500 a month, I charge $1,000 to $1,500. Why 2 to 3 times? Because they break even in months 2 or 3, and every month after that, the agent runs for free. When you frame it that way, it's not an expense, it's a short term investment with a guaranteed payback. My real example, client spending 5 hours a week on content research, $200 a month in lost time. I charged $500. He broke even in 10 weeks. Runs automatically twice a day. Zero manual work. 3 steps. Works on every project. Not every project is the same, so I work with 3 tiers. Tier 1, starter, $300 to $800, one input, one output, single automation. Example, a mail arrives, AI summarizes it, posts to Slack. Build time 1 to 2 days. This is where I started. Low risk for the client, quick win for you. My $500 project sits right here. Tier 2, standard, $800 to $2,000. A multi-step AI agent, multiple data sources, real decision making. Example, search the web, RSS feeds and email, picks the best content, formats and publishes automatically. Build time 3 to 5 days. This is the sweet spot once you have 1 or 2 projects done. Tier 3, enterprise, 2000 to 6000 plus dollars. Full system, multi-agent, cloud infrastructure, monitoring, error handling. Build time 1 to 3 weeks. Needs a longer sales conversation, but the ROI is enormous. Start at Tier 1, deliver the result, get the testimonial. Tier 2 and 3 conversations happen on their own after that. Here is exactly how I run the sales conversation. 4 steps. Step 1, discovery. One question, what's your biggest manual bottleneck? Not what software do you use, what task costs you the most time every week. Let them talk. They'll give you everything you need. Step 2. Calculate the ROI live. Right there on the call, open a calculator. You said 5 hours a week at roughly $10 an hour. That's $200 a month on this one task. Watch their reaction. They already knew it was too much. You just made it a number. Step 3. One page proposal, not a 10-page document. One page, one outcome, one price. I will automate X, it will save you Y hours per week. The investment is Z dollars. Step 4. The close. At this price, you break even in about 10 weeks. After that, it runs for free. Want to start Monday. A specific start date removes hesitation. They are not deciding whether to say yes, they are deciding which Monday. 3 mistakes I see constantly. Mistake 1. Pricing by the hour. We covered this, don't do it. Price the outcome, not your time. Mistake 2. Quoting before discovery. Never give a number before you understand the pain. If someone messages how much for an AI agent, don't answer. Say it depends on the problem. Can we spend 20 minutes on a call? The call is where you find out what it's actually worth. Mistake 3. Building before getting paid. Always take 50% upfront. No exceptions. 50% before you write a line of code. 50% on delivery. Get it wrong once and you will never forget it. Two things before you go. If you are a developer, I have written out the exact proposal template I use with clients. One page, tested on real projects, link is in the description. Use it. If you are a business owner and you have got a manual task costing you 5 or more hours a week, direct message me. I'll tell you in 10 minutes whether I can automate it and what it would cost. No pitch, just an honest answer. That's it. $500, 2 days, runs automatically. Subscribe for weekly AI automation builds.